Hi, my name is Tonya and I'm with the Profit Constructors. And if you've been watching our videos for any length of time, you've probably heard me say that, and then you've heard me follow it up with what we call our tagline. We help you run with the big dogs. And maybe you've wondered exactly what that means. Well, today I'd like to bring a little bit of clarity around what we specifically mean about we help you run with the big dogs. It could be that you're watching today and you've hit a wall. You've realized that systems just aren't optional anymore. Maybe they've even become to feel something like a necessary evil. Construction accounting has a lot of different things that we have to keep up with in order to be in compliance with various rules and regulations. Things like long-term contracts and the various needs to go through them and make sure we're following their rules and regulations, including sometimes some complicated change order rules, various softwares and programs that general contractors that you're working with may enact. There's all sorts of lien laws, and every state has different rules around those liens, perhaps different preliminary notices you might have to issue. There's insurance regulations, revenue recognition, the list could go on, and maybe you're already glazing over and zoning out as I say all of that. And the structure that's required to keep up with all of that. We have to do job costing, probably WIP reporting. We have to track retention, track all of the progress billing, make sure the progress billings are going out on time and that they're correct, and that they're to the liking of the general contractor we're sending them to. We could think about this in one of two ways. I just need to have enough systems to stay out of trouble and stay in compliance. Or we could take a different path and begin to really think of all of those systems as a way of being able to actually know what's going on in the business. And that's truly how the big dogs look at it. I spent a number of years in my early part of my career working within some corporations. In fact, some of them were multinational corporations. Most of them were commercial subcontractors. And I began to realize that what a lot of those big dogs knew was that they absolutely had to have systems. But those systems didn't just keep them in compliance. Those systems actually helped them to see cash flow problems early on, to detect them and weed them out and take care of them. They helped them to price confidently. They helped them to understand exactly which jobs were profitable and why. And they really helped them make decisions without guesswork. Having all of the right systems in place is how you can grow without losing sleep or control. That's how we help you run with the big dogs. This month, we are getting ready to kick off a new blog series that I'd highly encourage you to go take a look at. We're talking about regulatory accounting, revenue and billing, lien laws, all of these major ideas around construction accounting and how they keep you running with the big dogs. Don't get outgrown by just getting by. If you're ready to really have clarity and control in your business, stick around. You're in the right place.